The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, southwestern Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, eastern Conway County in central Arkansas, northern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northeastern Perry County in central Arkansas, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located near Menifee, or 4 miles east of Plumerville. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Plumerville, Morrilton, Greers Ferry Lake, Clinton, Wooster, Whippley, Twin Groves, Toadsuck, Spring Hill, Springfield, Solgatachia, Quitman, Middleton, Menifee, Mallet Townsend, Houston, Hill Creek, Guy. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 107 and 124.